Good morning. So it is time to start our trip, and the time is almost 7. We are late by 1 hour, though I woke up early, somewhere around 5. But अब तो लेट हो चुके हैं हम, तो चलो ठीक है, ये करते हैं. मौसम डैड कमाल का है, and let us hope that we are able to reach by 1. If we don't stop anywhere more than 15 minutes, we'll reach by 1. So we are on our way towards our destination. The road conditions are so pathetic, and weather too is the reason why we are driving at a safer speed right now. I've taken my first break. Started at around 7, quarter to 10, and it is time to get Mata down. Indian coffee pी ली. I don't know how many of you would agree, but nothing beats egg, sausage, and coffee. It's simply amazing, and I love it. Now I'm feeling a bit energized. Otherwise, day was like so slow. Driving in rain, it feels so like you feel sleepy. नींद सी आने लगी. Hi, hi, hi. Strong coffee. Now I'm charged up. चलो पापा को आने दो तो फिर चलते हैं. Guys, check out the story, the Chaiya Chaiya song that I have added as a short on this video. And we were lucky enough to, get this shot.
In 1 kilometer, keep right.
But it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome the new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away.
And this is not the cloud cover, guys. Wow. Oh, mommy, wow. We are around 114 kilometers away from our destination. We were supposed to reach at around 12, maximum 12, 12:30. So we are like running late on this thing with the doctor. What do you call it? What do you call it? What do you call it, guys? Appointment. We are running late. We're gonna reach somewhere around quarter to 2.
I'm a prime push. Joder di Ferrari चला तैनू घुमने साडे कोल पता रखी इंका जुनी काले शीशे चोरी शिकार थे चक ले.
We are stuck at a railway crossing because we came from another route. So yeah, another 5-7 minutes wasted. Oh, we just stopped for a break. Washroom जाना था. So yeah. Green. And it looks so beautiful. And the rain gods are happy. तो जब मैं ऐसी ग्रीनरी को देखता हूँ तो मुझे ये लगता है कि हम वी लिव इन अ कंक्रीट जंगल। तो हम एक ऐसे जंगल में रह रहे हैं जहाँ पे सिर्फ कंक्रीट है, देयर इज नो फ्रेश एयर। और मैंने कभी भी सिटी में रह के, मतलब जहाँ हम रहते हैं, वहाँ आपको ऐसी क्लैरिटी नहीं मिलेगी। यू वोंट गेट दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ अ क्लैरिटी इन द स्काई एज एन, आप ये देखो, यू कैन जूम थ्रू एंड इट इज ऑल क्लियर एंड इट्स फॉगी, इट्स नॉट लाइक some sort of you know smoke. So this is the benefit of living in, outskirts, village areas. And there is still time, guys. Save your planet, contribute and plant trees, whatever you can do to save the planet, whatever. That's the bottom line. Well, guys, we have reached here for Dad's checkup, and this is how it looks, and this is the remote that controls the DBS functionality. And I'm not supposed to touch anything apart from the red button. Just kidding, guys. Mommy, bad joke. A nice waiting lounge that gives you an assuring vibe, just like our assuring doctor. So for that, I need to get these things for his knee so he can go for a quick walk. So let's find the pharmacy and let's cross the road. Too much traffic, too much traffic. That's what we need to buy. So what we are trying to do is we are just trying to improve his quality of life uh so that he is, more in a state where he can go for longer walks and all. Our job as a son, right? As children, it's our job to serve our parents. And there could be times when parents are wrong. I'm not saying that. But that does not truly mean that you are going to leave them all alone at the mercy of God or at the mercy of somebody from Tom, Dick, and Harry. So yeah, it's our duty. So duty needs to be carried out with a smiling face because that's karma. Whatever you do, it will come back to you. And there is the connection. For old people, new things are there in the town for the exercise to improve walking. When I use this, I thought it is used for people who have injuries, but no. To improve your walk, they use this for significance. Oh, right. That is where we need to go. Oh, I need to take another one. But let's hope this thing works really well. And let's start the physio. Needs to go to the physio. So that is how he's gonna get his walk right. हाँ यार, तगड़ी एक्सरसाइज होगी, तगड़ी वाली, ये भी नहीं लगे। डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्राइब किया है, गो फॉर एक्सरसाइज, डोंट डिपेंड ऑन दिस। लेट्स रिटर्न इट, रिटर्न हो जाए बस। So guys, here Dad is going through his physio session and they are teaching him as in what kind of exercises that he needs to go through, जो बहुत important है। Physically, DBS is something that we'll talk about later on. But with DBS, you also need exercise, and DBS is required for patients with neuro-related problems. One of them is Parkinson's, right? And you can research rest on internet. And we were very, very, very lucky that we got in touch with Dr. Jasliveen Kour. She is simply amazing, and the ma'am that you are looking at is one of her staff members, a trained physio. So, and she is so kind and so good at what she does, and she was explaining everything with. So we are back at Mohali, guys. Mohali. And now you're going back home. Let's go home and let's sit and let's just relax. But I need to buy a few things before we reach home. And इधर मम्मी लगी है मासी के साथ. So in a bit. So we are back towards our destination, our home. So now we're gonna turn right. And tomorrow we are going to this market, me and mom. And we'll see what's there to shop. मम्मी नहीं सही में अच्छा मार्केट है. ये ऑफिस स्पेसेस अवेलेबल हैं किसी ने लेनी है तो. ये अभी रेंट आउट हो जाएंगी ये भी सारी. IT industry is going to the new IT head of Punjab is Mohali is going to be the new IT hub. Oh, now we got a perfect shot of this office place. And as I said, it is going to be the new IT hub. Mohali is going to be the new IT hub of Punjab. आने वाले टाइम में फॉर श्योर. ये तो श्योर. सारे ऑफिस स्पेस यहीं पे हैं और IT पार्क तो बनना भी यहीं है पीछे. यहाँ से होगा समवेयर अराउंड 4-5 किलोमीटर. Beautiful house captured. So we're not that away anyways. Ask me. Dad, how did you like the surprise by the way?
Good one, yeah.
Good one, na? Nice, na? Chalo, let's go in.
No,
Come on, guys, come on. हाँ जी, आइए. आप बताओ जी. And there is Mr. Papa sleeping, taking a good night's sleep. Yup, yup. Enjoy, sir, enjoy. I'm left with some other stuff that I need to take care of, which is roti. Anyway, rotiयाँ, चाय पानी, it is very important, and some bits and bobs, some knickknacks. Get this Portland. It's all done. यहाँ पे पहला काम जो है, that is grocery. मैंने सुबह से पानी नहीं पिया. पहले पानी पी लो यार, सुबह से पानी नहीं पिया. तो हमारे अभी 2-3 दिन का अगर ट्रिप रहा तो फिर हम आराम से सब कुछ रखा है. मम्मी सब कुछ रख के गए हम. लास्ट टाइम भी रख के गए बट मैंने फिर भी ले ली. Don't worry, Mama. How do you like it? How was the surprise?
Very nice. वाहेगुरु तुमको सोना सुखंडोना करे, खुशियां दे तुमको जल्दी जल्दी.
Cheers. Let's keep this on. There. You need to get this thing. बस यार चीज़ें फिक्स कर रहे थे. So protein is all done. Protein हमारा आ गया. Eggs. Here comes it. This we can keep here. Use it. Dad, come on. I will take you for a home tour. So, make some chaw. Shortcut, ready-made chaw. Enjoy. Boys, come on, boys, you can do it. Done. So we are here to do what we are here to do, what we need to do. What we need to do is make a lovely cup of tea for Mama. Ready? Kitchen is already getting clean. Here. Tissue over here. Can I do this? Yes. Risk taken. इतना कुछ लगाना होगा, खाली लग रहा है। Mommy, you ready?